Hello, for those who don't know me, my name is Bill, and welcome to my game room. Today I have something pretty awesome to show off. I picked it up a while ago, but just haven't had time to film it. But I picked up the Core Grafx mini system. In America, it was the TurboGrafx 16, and in Japan, the PC Engine. I believe this is the European version, Core Grafx, which was a black color. PC Engine is white, and we got kind of like a grayish black, I believe, TurboGrafx. I have one over there. Yeah, something like that. So the full size one. So anyways, yeah, that's what it is. Fantastic little system. Comes with one controller. Pretty long cord, I would say about 10 feet. And it has about 60 plus games on it. There's about 6 hidden ones, so you have to figure out what button combinations to unlock them. I've done it, it's pretty fun to find those, kind of throwback to using codes and finding things. And I also picked up a 8-bit DO mini controller for it. So, or not mini controller, but 8-bit DO controller for the PC Engine. So it's black color to match the system. Nice comfortable D-pad, the run, select button, button 2, button 1, and button 2, 1 turbo on top. So if you want to use turbo buttons for some of the games like the shooters and things like that, you have the turbo. So fantastic controller, pretty comfortable. A little tiny smaller than I would like. I would like it a little tiny bit bigger, but overall no complaints. Still a great controller. It just, my hands are big and it feels a little small in my hands. But it's not like really uncomfortable, it's just noticeable a little bit. So just a minor gripe on that. A fantastic controller. So without further ado, let's check out this mini system. Let me set it up here. So let's start from the beginning of the list. Air Zonk, Alien Crush. This is the TurboGrafx side, 16 in the top left corner you can see. Blazing Lasers, Bomberman 93, Bonk's Revenge, Kadash, Chuman Fu, Dungeon Explorer, JJ and Jeff, Lords of Thunder, Military Madness, Moto, Rotor, Neptopia 1 and 2, The New Adventure Island, which is fun, Ninja Spirit, Parasol Stars, Power Glove, Psychosis, R-Type, Soldier Blade, Space Harrier, Splatterhouse, Victory Run, and Ease 1 and 2. Now if you go down here to the far right, we can switch it over. And this just switches the UI to the Japanese PC Engine. So starting off, we have Akuma Dracula X, Chi Noble Rondo, which is Castlevania, Rondo of Blood I believe it's called. Aldiness, Appare Gateball, Bomberman 94, Bomberman Panic Bomber, Cho Anaki, Dakamura, which is Ghosts and Goblins, Dragon Spirit, Dungeon Explorer, Fantasy Zone, Galaga 88, Ginga Fuke Desetsu Safari, Gradius 2, J2nd Necromancer, Japanese is terrible, so excuse me, Nectaris, Neptopia 1 and 2 again, Ninja Ryukaden, PC Genjin, which is Bonk, Salamander, Seirei Sensei Spriggan, Snatcher, which is unfortunately a heavy text game by Hideo Kojima. Fantastic game, but it's in Japanese, so it's a heavy text game, so I cannot play this version of it. Spriggan Mark II, Star Paradier, Super Darius, Super Mamataro, Dentetsu 2, Star Soldier, Super Star Soldier, the Genji and the Heike clans, the Kung Fu, Legend of Valkyrie, and Ease 1 and 2 again for the PC Engine, so it's Japanese version. So we'll just do a quick overview and take a look at a couple games. We'll start off with Kadash since it's right there. As you see, it's got cool UI, user interface of graphics and stuff of the system being operated. This game I played probably back in the day. I can't remember what system I played on originally. It was either a Sega system or I played arcade, or both. So we'll pick one player, which is cool. You can play two, I guess. And I'll choose the ninja. This is the time when they would give you 3 to 4 initials to insert your name, usually which was just the initials. Lucky enough, mine fits in 4. I'm glad you came, Bill. I have waited long for a brave warrior. Once upon a time, we, the kingdom of Dizar, were at peace. But then the evil Broke abducted my only daughter, Princess Sarsa. Doesn't even know this girl's name. I have faith that you will rescue my daughter and restore the peace. Go now, Bill. Can I say anything else to him? No. Can you say anything? How do you get him to talk? I'll push the button 2. Open the treasure chest and prepare for your quest. Let me see if I can say anything. He'll say anything else. I don't want to ninja star you. Don't waste time. Broke's dark power grows by the second. I await good news. Oops, sorry, I threw a star at you. Seeking Broke will not be easy. Take as many companions as you can. There is power in numbers. To use stairs in inner shop, stand in front and raise the joystick lever. Okay. Colored gates can be only opened with a key and the same color. Unfortunately, keys are hidden. Seek them out. So I don't have a key for that. That's upstairs. I hear that this world is composed of 5 continents. The continents are linked by gates of departure. Throwing stars at people. Go and attack monsters, then use their money to buy better weapons and armor. The talk button's a star button, so you're constantly throwing stars at people. This is the Royal Palace of Dizar. Let's go outside. Oh no, we can't go outside. Graphics are cool. Walk toward the right along the road and reach the entrance to the cave. The cave ahead is fraught with danger. Shops along the way. Sell items to aid your quest. In the back of the cave, a gate of departure is said to be guarded by a fearsome monster. Okay, now we're finally going to do some action, then I'll switch games. Just to see, you can see what the action looks like. So that's basically what the action is. It's a side-scrolling thing with RPG elements. Can you shoot the candles like Castlevania? No. I haven't even gotten close to beating this thing. I just, you know, kind of skimmed over it a few times back in the day. So it'll be interesting to play it, to see what it's all about. I just know it's popular. So as you see, yeah, I guess you can grab the rope, yeah. Graphics is pretty good for this kind of game back then. Sprites are big. Levels are colorful. Music's pretty interesting. Gameplay's fun. I can say it's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, well that was dumb. Oh, I'm in. I couldn't tell. It doesn't look like water. And of course, he can walk underwater with no problem. And I can't get out of this stupid stuff. It's not letting me. It's like, not letting me get out of here. Boy, there goes all my health. That was horrible. When you fall in the water, you're basically done. I tried everything and it just kept shooting me back down. Let's walk up here and see where it takes me out, and then I'll switch games. So that is Kadesh. I'll definitely go back to this and play it later on. So let's see. Chu-Man Fu was actually kind of a puzzle game. Pushing balls was kind of fun. Now Bonk's Revenge is the mascot for the Core Grafx, competing against Mario and Sonic at the time. My buddy had one of these. He was the only kid in town that had it. We went to his house. So this is the only time that I got to play Core Grafx back in the day, is at his house. So this is one of the games he did have, so I did get to see this back in the day. And it's a great, colorful, fun game. You play as a caveman named Bonk. And I'm not sure what the whole premise of the story is, if you're rescuing somebody or what. Or you're just headbutting people for the heck of it. There's got to be some kind of story. You're probably rescuing something. But as you can see, it's very colorful. Now he can headbutt people this way, or he can jump and flying headbutt them. There's an extra man. I believe there's nothing here. This is just a... Oh, there is. Food. Now who's the bad guy in that situation? The guy sleeping, or Bonk just walking up and headbutting him? These are extra points, whatever's falling. I think they're flowers and butterflies are extra points. So as you see, it's got a lot of charm in the game, a lot of color. And there was like 2 or 3 of them on this system. 2 or 3, I can't remember. And Air Zonk is considered kind of a split off of the series, so maybe 4. And I think it eventually did get ported to other systems. Went to the Super Nintendo, some of the Sega systems, I think. But fun game. So that is Zonk. Let's see, let's get out of here. Or Bonk's is what I say Zonk for, Bonk's Adventure. Now, Alien Crush is a cool pinball game that a lot of people like. As you can see, it's got interesting graphics. For a pinball, I don't know if I would have played it back in the day. It's cool. I guess it depends on the price. It's got some really cool looking animations and things. I'm sure there's secrets and things to unlock as you... It's kind of like Aliens, I guess. Alien pinball. Ball out. So pretty cool. Now I want to show off a CD game. Weird thing is they don't mark them on here. Not that I noticed anywhere. Only on the Japanese side of HuCards versus CDs. I'm sure Ease is. So you'll see the animation loading. So basically, that's the way it looked like back in the day when it loaded up a CD-based game on a TurboGrafx. Now, Ease, I know it's a fantastic game. I haven't played the series at all, even though I grew up during that time. So I definitely have to go back and play these and experience it for myself. But playing from CD is amazing because the graphics are so much improved, and the sound, of course, because playing from CD, more audio. So we'll check out this intro. I don't really want to get into it because RPG doesn't really exciting unless we're doing a playthrough. But everything looks beautiful on this system, with on the mini system with HDMI. Music's great, everything. Let's see. Skip past that a little bit, move it up a little faster. She got some hair. It's a lot of hair. It takes a lot of shampoo, I bet. Yeah, okay, come on now. I don't have a bit of continue yet because I didn't play it. In the beginning, so you'll see the graphics and sound, the differences. Then we'll switch off to something else. Cool music. It's got that, what, late 80s? No, probably 90s. Early 90s music. Definitely 90s. So very cool. Bow, 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 bow. So let's just see a quick thing. Player. Now this would have been cool because this is very graphical for back in the day in the early 90s. Especially being CD. All the new sound, you know, the extra sound and stuff, audio. It's fantastic. Animation's great. Welcome to Estriel. Please wait, swordsman. I'm a swordsman, okay. My name is Sarah. I'm a fortune teller. Fortune teller came to the ship. She's been looking for me. Let's just see the town real fast before we get out of here. Follow me to my shop. So, wow, graphics are amazing. I'll take a look around the town before I go in her shop. Then I'll turn it off. We only want to go to the storyline. Let's just take a look inside of a place. Pretty cool. Wow. This is going to be a fun game to play. I'll definitely have to do a playthrough of this on the future updates. Especially someone who's never played the series. So that'll be interesting. Oops, hit the wrong button. Should be button 1 to back out. In the system, you can choose different aspect ratios of the screen and of course scan lines like all the other mini systems. So let's switch over to the Japanese side. Now this one is interesting too. I did play a little tiny bit of this one. I just want to show it off. And then we'll basically end the video here. I'll do some playthroughs of some of these games starting next Thursday. I was blown away by this game. And it's too bad I don't speak Japanese because I could tell I would be enjoying this game. I still enjoy it, but I would be really into the storyline. This is Spriggan 2. As you can see, it's got fantastic animation for back then, a CD game. Looks like a Macross kind of game. Gundam, Macross, all that stuff. Just look at those cool animations. It's so awesome looking. I bet for those who played this, I bet they really liked it. Back in the day, because this is an amazing game. Oh, those guys just got cut in half by them lasers. Vaporized instantly. So as you can see, cool animations. I didn't watch the intro last time, so very cool. Ooh, the vaporized too. This is where we get to the intro screen. It must be coming soon. It's a long intro. There it is, Spriggan Mark II. Re-terraform project. Let's see what the options had. I didn't look at this last time. I don't think there's any English options though. Nothing there. Theme, music. No, unfortunately not. Now the reason why I want to show you, just so briefly before we stop this video, is the intro, beginning of the game. There's a lot of talking and dialogue. You can turn it off and just go to the action. Oh, I guess I did have it turned off. Let me go back and reset it. Let's just restart the game with the voice on. Sorry. You have the voice of doing letter, voice, or just turn it off. So you can turn off all and just play all the action. You can do, but then it cuts out all the cut scenes, or you can voice them, or you can just do with no voices. So it gives you a choice there, so which is kind of cool. So now I have the voices on, I believe. Let's see here. I have it turned off again. Just turned it on automatically. Okay, well, let's just leave it on like this. We'll play a little tiny bit, see it. I don't know why it's automatically selecting for me off. I think I have it on, voice on. It's just cool shooting mech, and you can turn backwards, forwards. Let me see if I can get to the end level in the cutscene. I have the voices on, right? You see there's on, off, letter. Yeah, I have it on, for sure. I think it's because I had it selected off from the last time I played. Okay, let's see here. As you can see, I'm using the turbo. I'm shooting down here, help me out, buddy. I don't know if this is starting from the beginning. Oh, it's talking finally. And then let's go return to the game. Now it's got some really cool animated scenes in the between levels. It's really awesome. They're not like this. So as you can see, interesting game. And unfortunately, it didn't get to show you the cutscenes in the beginning. It's basically them speaking Japanese, but it's really graphically nice. So very cool game. That's Spriggan 2. I'm guessing this game is related to it. I don't know. We'll see. This is off a Hue card. Let's take a quick look. Oh, it's off CD also. Let's take a quick look, and this will be the last one we'll check out. And then we'll actually do some playthroughs of this next week. I just want to see if this game's related to it. Oh yeah, it looks like it's another mech over the top. Different perspective, but it looks like it. Kind of a shooter. Pretty cool. Oh, weapons are... Oh, I died pretty fast there. Weapons are cool though. Crazy looking enemies. Oh, cool ships. Can I switch weapons or anything? No. Not that way at least. Oh, he does shoot some kind of missiles down below, I think. So as you see, pretty cool game also. Games you don't know, you don't need to know Japanese. The green ones are your friends that are helping you out, and they show up here and there. I don't like this weapon, it's a little slow. Ooh, ooh, get away from him. Oh, oh. Kind of forcing me to stay in that corner. I didn't like it over there. Okay, now I'm getting wiped out pretty fast. Okay, well, I'm not a good player at it, but it's a cool shooter. I'm not sure which one I like better, that one or the other one before that. They're both pretty cool though. So anyways, that is a quick look, real quick look of the Core Grafx 16, or Core Grafx, just say mini. Fantastic little system, maybe a little hard to find, but you can probably find this Amazon or eBay, of course. Probably not going for the retail price, but it can't be that expensive. I'm guessing around $150 at the most. And at that price, probably still worth it because you get 60 plus games. Oops, almost dropped it. So anyways, that is the Core Grafx mini system. Anyways, that is it for this episode. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Take care, everybody.
Yo.